Hello friends, I am Mrs. Shweta Shailendra Pandare, Assistant Teacher, Vidyapeeth High School, Kolhapur. Chapter 4, Effects of Electric Current. Heating effect of electric current. Let's study about it. For study the heating effect of electric current, let's recall that we study in the last video Joule's law. What is that law? When the electric current is passing through conducting wire, the electrical energy is converted into heat energy. This effect is called heating effect of electric current or the Joule's law of heating. Let's see the equation. H is equal to I square R T. So heat uh, I, that is the current, R resistance, T is the time. So what is the cause of that heating effect or how that heating effect occur in the conductor? Let's see. When the battery is connected to the ends of the conductor, electric field is set up. The free electrons move in the direction opposite to the field and they undergoes, that is the collision टक्कर होने with the positive ions and the atoms of the conductor. The average kinetic energy of the vibration, because of the collision there is a vibration in the ions and the atom. So vibration of the ions and the atom increases and hence the temperature is also increases, and because of that we can see the heating effect in the conductor. Many equipment that you are familiar with that equipments are based on the heating effect of electric current. For example, that is the electric heater, then electric iron, also there is electric cooker, electric kettle, electric geyser, then fuse, also the electric bulb. Then in the industrial area there is the welding, cutting, drilling, and in many surgery there are using the platinum wire that also having the heating effect of electric current. Let us see how that the equipments use that electric current. Electric conductors that having higher resistivity are used here. So let us see in this the electric kettle, the nichrome wire is used here. So for example, the coil made up of the alloy nichrome. Nichrome is made up of nickel, chromium, iron, and sometimes other elements, but much more nickel and chromium that is used in the electric heater cooker as a resistor. Here electric kettle, here also use the nichrome wire. This is the iron. In this iron also here is the nichrome wire is used for the heating effect. Then in this electric iron, the high resistance held in between this. This is a mica sheet and this is placed inside the iron. That is a heavy metal block provide this, and it is made up of the handle as a insulator, that is such as a plastic. So this is a insulator, and inside this is a nichrome, and above that there is a mica sheet. That this mica sheet is a good conductor of the heat. Hence heat produced by this coil is transferred by this mica sheet and that metal block, and which can be we can ironing the clothes. So this is the nichrome wire that used in this appliances. While a tungsten wire is used in the electric bulb because that the electric bulb, the tungsten having highest, that is melting point, 3400 degrees Celsius. Hence it emit the lights, and also the hot wire also radiate heat to certain extent. So let us see here. Here is a coiled, because of that the area of this the or length of this coil is increased, and because of length increased, resistance also increased, and if resistance is increased, then heat is also get increased. This is also a coil, that is a solenoid type coil, a coil in the cooker, and also the coil of the heater, that also showing that the length increased, and because of that, as like this structure, coil structure, the heating effect is also get increased in this appliances. Let us see the structure of electric bulb or use of the coil in the electric bulb. This is a screw cap, that is we fix in the holder. This is the glass bulb or thin glass bulb. This is glass support for this the filament or the coil. And in this the glass bulb there is filled with a chemically inactive gases such as nitrogen or the argon to prevent the oxidation of this filament, and hence that bulb prolong the life. This electric bulb having the filament of metal such as the tungsten, which having the high melting point, that is 3400 degrees Celsius. When electric current is passed through this filament, it become hot and emits the light. This is become hot and emits the light. So the bulb in this way, that heating effect is used here, and that is used for us for the light. Next point, that is short circuit. The home electrical connection consists live wire, neutral wire, and the earth wire. The live and neutral wire having potential difference 220 volt. The earth is connected to the ground. Let us see here, this is the live wire, this is neutral wire, main, that is fuse, then here main switch, and by this switch there are many appliances we are using in our home, they are connected to this. So this is live wire, this is neutral wire, and this is the earth wire that is connected to the ground. Because of the fault in the equipment, or if the plastic coating of the live wire and the neutral wire gives away, the two wires come in contact with each other and large flow through it produce the heat. Here is the sparks, and this is called, that is the short circuit. So if at that time there is any inflammable material such as wood, that is plastic, clothes are existing around this place, then it catch the fire. So for avoiding this, they use the fuse wire, and this is a precautionary measure. These are the types of or different types of fuse that are used for a precautionary measure that you are also study in the previous standard. As soon as high current flows in the circuit, the fuse wire melts. Here is the main fuse, and the fuse wire melts and break the circuit, and any incident that is avoided by this the melting. Several times we hear that or read that about building catch fire due to short circuit. So these fuse are used for avoiding these the incidents, and that is are the precautionary measures. These different type of fuse, how that works: a fuse protect the electrical circuit and also the appliances that we are using in our home by stopping the flow of electric current when that current is extra than the specific value. For this, it is connected in the series with the appliances or circuit to protected. A fuse is piece of wire made up of an alloy of low melting point. For example, alloy of lead and tin are used here. If a current large, then the specific value then flows this the fuse wire, then the temperature increase enough to melt it, and hence the circuit is get break, and the appliances is protected from the damage, and also it is protected from the short circuit. Nowadays, that the miniature circuit breaker, that is MCB switches, these are the MCB switches are used in our home when the current in the circuit suddenly increase. This switch open and current stop. Different type of MCBs are in use for the entire house, and these are usual fuse wire is used. So these are the MCBs. Next point, overloading. Many times, particularly in the summer season, huge electrical power is used in the evenings. The due to home lighting, fans, air conditioners, use of electricity in shop, etc. As a result, excessive current is drawn from the transformer supplying the electricity. And if the capacity of the transformer is insufficient, its fuse wire melt and the supply gets shut down. Such event occur due to overloading. So let us see what is overloading. A flow of large amount of current in a circuit beyond the permissible value of current is called overloading. It occurs when many appliances of high power rating are such as, that is the fan, then desktop, cooler, AC, geyser, heater, oven, motor, etc. are switched simultaneously. This causes the fire. Overloading can be avoided by not connecting many electrical appliances of high power rating in same circuit. So up to this we are study about the, that is, heating effect of the electric current, then short circuit and the overloading, and also study about how we can avoid the short circuit by using the fuse, then miniature circuit breakers, and also how we can avoid the overloading by not connecting the electrical appliances at the same circuit.